In this lesson, we're going to talk about simplifying expressions while using what's called the distributive property. Now, the distributive property says that when we multiply, have a number sitting outside parentheses, we can in fact distribute this term to both terms inside. So what we do is we take this 2 and we distribute it, meaning we multiply it to both terms. So we take 2 and multiply it with 5x. And then we take 2 and multiply it with 12. So on this side, I get 2 times 5 is 10, and the x just stays there. And 2 times 12 leaves me with 24. So there is my simplified expression. Now I'm doing 2 more examples. Each example is going to get a little bit more challenging, a little bit more involved. So for example, 3 times 5x minus 3 minus 4 times 8x plus 5y. I'm going to have to use my distributive property twice. So I'm going to take the 3 and distribute it to both terms inside here. So this says 3 times 5x, which is 15x. And then this says 3 times negative 3. I put parentheses so that you can see I'm multiplying it by negative 3. Keep in mind that sign out front is important. So this becomes minus 9. And now on the other side here, I've got to take this whole negative 4. That sign is attached to the 4. And distribute it to both terms inside here. So we get negative 4 times 8x. And then we got negative 4 times 5y. Well, here we get minus 32x minus 20y. When I get it to this form, I look, do I have like terms that I can combine? Yes, I do. 15 minus 32 would be negative 17x. I can't combine the negative 9 with the negative 20y. What I always like we do is we write the variable first. So minus 20y comes first, and minus 9 goes at the end. There's my expression simplified. I know it's simplified because I cannot combine any of these 3 terms remaining. All right. Again, there's a little more going on here. So we're going to take this 8, distribute it to both terms. So we're left with 24 x to the second power minus 8 times negative 5, that's where I get the negative sign from, would be negative 40 y squared. Now remember, you're taking negative 3. It has to be distributed not once, not twice, but 3 different times. So negative 3 times 12 is going to give us negative 36 x to the second power. Negative 3 times 4 would be negative 12x. And negative 3 times a negative 2 is a positive 6y. From here, let's combine like terms. So let's start with x to the second power. I've got 24 minus 36 combines to be 12x squared. Then there is no other negative y squared, so we have minus 40y squared next. There's no other x, so we get minus 12x plus 6y. There is my expression, simplified.